With List Perfectly, you can cross-list an unlimited number of listings from any supported marketplace to any other supported marketplace. In this demonstration, we'll cross-list multiple listings from Poshmark to eBay. To begin, click the Crosslist button, then select the listings you'd like to cross-list. You can choose them in any order, making it easy to cross-list the exact items you want. Once you've selected your listings, click Crosslist icon again and choose eBay as your destination marketplace. Then click the Crosslist button on the right. List Perfectly will automatically open a new eBay listing for each item and copy over your photos and listing details. Review each listing, make any marketplace-specific selections or adjustments, and click List to publish it on eBay. Repeat the process for each listing until they're all published. That's how to cross-list multiple listings from Poshmark to eBay with List Perfectly. Help expand your reach and save time by eliminating repetitive data entry with List Perfectly.